A recipe for the newest, or tiredest, or the busiest, or the hungriest cook. It's lazy beef lasagna featuring ground beef. Brown 93% lean ground beef with minced garlic for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring only occasionally so the beef can get a deep browning for intense flavoring. And you may need to pour off drippings by removing the meat with a slotted spoon and cleaning out the pan before moving on. When you do, add a jar of your favorite pasta sauce and season with grated nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Pour in water to boil this into a thick sauce for just 1 to 2 minutes. Now layer in cheese ravioli, that delicious meat sauce, and shredded cheese, then another layer of ravioli, more meat sauce, and more shredded cheese. Baking it all together until the cheese is melty and your whole world slows down to savor the delicious, nutritious, lazy beef lasagna.